the boarding me. Today I'm going to show you how to make sugar egg puff. This is a Chinese dish and is very easy to make. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're seeing my video first time, please subscribe. Come with me in the kitchen. For this we need Maida, condensed milk, sugar powder, baking powder, water, egg, salt and butter. Heat a pan and add some water. Add butter. Let the butter melt. Now the butter is melted off the flame. Gradually add Maida. Mix well. Now add salt. Baking powder. Add condensed milk. Mix well. Let it cool for some time. Add egg. The dough should be like this. Now we'll fry this. Now take some dough in a spoon and fry it. Cook in medium flame. At this stage, take it out and roll it in sugar powder. try this, very easy to make. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. Also do subscribe. Bye.